The problem of plastic bag pollution is not the most significant pollution in China. More seriously is the electronic waste. China produces a lot of electronic products all over the world. When they finish the life cycle, they go back to China. And this electronic waste can help to create jobs. There are many poor people in China still rely on the disassembly and processing of the electronic waste for their living. However, it also creates a lot of pollution problem because many of those heavy metals in the electronic circuit board are very toxic. This video shows how serious is the problem of electronic waste pollution is.
The air in the southern Chinese town of Kuihu is acrid. The smell of melting wires and silicon from computer motherboards is everywhere. Migrant workers here smash up electrical items by hand to recover glass and other electronic parts. In the process, they release clouds of toxic lead dust. But the danger isn't confined to the air around this site. Greenpeace says many of these components are poisonous and are being recycled into new electronic gadgets, everything from phones to children's toys. China has agreed to a United Nations treaty that prevents the import of e-waste from developed nations, but loopholes allow it to skirt the requirements, and Greenpeace says much of this waste is here illegally. The issue isn't likely to disappear easily. The economics of cheap labor make it easy for corporations to deal with an expensive problem. And it also means these e-waste workers will have a steady stream of work. Rita Foley, Washington.
In the video, in particular, it mentioned a town called Kuihu, which is not too far away from Hong Kong, have a very serious electronic waste pollution problem. And those electronic waste pollutions will not only pollute those areas where the electronic waste is being treated, but also the heavy metal vapor will also diffuse to other areas, and like city in Beijing, Shanghai, Japan will also be affected. So some actions have been taken. For example, legislations nowadays, electronic waste are not allowed to import to China, and also the disposals of those toxic and dangerous waste have to be properly treated, and the government also subsidizes those recycle industries for the proper disposals of the electronic waste. So hopefully all these measures can help to reduce the amount of electronic toxic waste and the harm to the people in China.